Hi everyone, my name is Connie. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a Adore Me try on haul. If you guys aren't familiar with Adore Me, they are a lingerie brand. They also do have loungewear, sleepwear, activewear, swimwear. They have a bunch of stuff. They also do offer memberships, so you guys can become a VIP member and you can pay per month. They also do have another membership called the Elite membership, and they also do have a pay as you go, which pretty much you just buy one time, no commitment or anything like that. You don't have to subscribe. And all the info on their memberships and everything that they offer down below in the description box. I'll put a link to the site so you guys can see pretty much everything that they offer. I'm gonna go ahead and get started with showing you guys everything that I got from there. Let's get started with the try on haul. So I'm going to start off with the bras that I got. I'll also put the name of each bra down here on the screen somewhere so you guys can know what each bra is called in case you're interested in the bra that I show. So here is the first bra right here, and this is a nude bra. It does have a little bit of extra padding for the push-up effect. So this is what it looks like right here, and oh my gosh, this bra is so comfortable. I was thinking it was gonna be kind of tight at first because it does have like extra padding, but it's not tight at all, and it's really comfortable. It's really soft. It definitely gives me support, and it gives the girls a nice lift. I really like this bra. It's a really pretty nude shade or nude color, so I can wear this underneath anything. So I got mine in the size 36C, which was perfect. Again, I was worried it was gonna be kind of tight on the back just because I have gained a little extra weight with COVID and everything, but it wasn't tight at all. It was actually really comfortable. Another cool thing is that a lot of their bras do come as a set, so they do have a panty included. I'll show you guys the underwear. I'm not gonna show you guys me trying on the underwear just because I don't want to get like demonetized and in trouble on YouTube. So I'll show you guys what the underwear looks like though. But it came with this matching underwear right here. And the material is so nice. It is a thong, but it's not like a super thin thong where it feels like super uncomfortable. I did put this on to try it on, but I just did not record that part. But I did try it on already, and it's super soft and comfortable, stretchy, not uncomfortable at all, especially for being a thong. Like, thongs to me are sometimes like uncomfortable and I just don't like wearing them, but this one was super comfortable. And you can choose if you want a thong style or if you want a regular underwear style or short style. So for this one I chose the thong style, obviously. Here is the next bra right here, and this one is more full coverage. Like, the band is thicker, as you guys can see. It has 4 hooks instead of 3, so the band is a little bit thicker, which I mean, I don't mind because it holds in like the sides, the back fat. It holds that in a little bit better. I like that it is full coverage. It definitely covers everything. It definitely holds in everything better since it is more coverage. It has this cute little symbol right here, which has AM, which stands for Adore Me, which is super cute. And yeah, this is just what it looks like right here. This one is also super comfortable, just like the first one. This one doesn't have any extra padding, so it's doesn't give like a push-up effect or anything, but it's still really nice. And the straps are really comfortable and soft. They don't like dig into the skin or anything, which I love because I do have some bras where when you first buy them, they like dig in to your shoulders and it hurts and leaves marks, but not these. Here is the matching underwear that came with that bra. Again, it has the little thing in the front with the AM, just like the bra did, and it's just a black thong. I decided to go with a thong style for this one as well. The next 2 bras are a little bit more on the sexy side. I wanted to get some like sexy bras, and yeah, I decided to go with these 2. So the first one is this one right here, and I don't think you guys can see it, but it looks like this. It's really cute and it feels really nice on. It's not see-through. I was worried that it was going to be like a little bit too see-through right here, but it didn't really look that see-through when I tried it on. but it's more of a sexy bra, and I just thought it was super cute, and it still gives me coverage and support, but still gives me that like sexy, sassy feeling. This design, the way it looks, is just super, super cute. It feels really nice and soft, comfortable, lightweight. It's really thin, the materials. Again, it does also come with the matching underwear, and for the underwear, it looks like, and this is what it looks like. And as you guys can see, it is sheer in the front, and it is also sheer in the back. So it's a very sexy set, but I just thought it was super cute. So all of the bras, I did get them the same size, which is 36C. They all fit me really nice. Normally between like a 34 and 36, but I was thinking about getting 38, but I thought maybe I should just stick with 36 for now, and I'm glad I did because they fit me perfect. For the underwear, I did get them all a size large. So this one is a size large. Okay, and the last bra that I got is this one right here, and this is what it looks like. This one is definitely a lot more sexy. This one is very see-through right here in the front, but I love the design and the way it looks and feels. It does have underwire on there, so it does give some support, but it's still really nice and soft and comfortable, really simple. I do love the design on the side as well. It's so pretty. They're so cute. I just love everything. I love the material. I love the design. I love the way it fits and the way it feels on, and it's just a really nice bra. They're all really nice bras. It is like stretchy right here in the front, so it does like cover them. It does cover the girls nicely and makes them look really nice too. So yeah, so this is the last bra, and this is the matching panty that came with it right here. Looks like this. And this one is a thong again. I have been looking for comfortable thongs because I'm used to wearing like old grandma undies, if I'm honest. Ever since becoming a mom, I've just been looking for comfortable undergarments, and I hadn't found any like comfortable like thongs and things like that, so I just wear comfortable undies, even if they're like granny panties. But I decided to get some thongs and try them out, and I'm so glad I did because these are actually really, really comfortable thongs. They don't ride up, they don't feel like tight and just going in the wrong places. So these are very comfortable and I love them. So that's it for the matching bra and underwear sets that I got. Next, I'm going to show you guys more underwear. I had a deal going on for 6 pairs of underwear for $30, which is really good. So I did get a couple more pairs. Okay, so here is the first pair of underwear that I got. So this actually looks a lot like the one I just showed, but it's actually a little bit more coverage, so it is a little bit bigger, and it just has the nice little detail up here. And I don't know if that means this one might be actually the matching pair to the bra, but I'm not super sure because I kind of mixed everything up. So but anyways, this is the first pair. I'm just gonna go through these really fast because I didn't try any of these on, because again, I don't know what's allowed on YouTube and what's not allowed, so I don't wanna get in trouble. So I didn't try any of these on, but they all feel really nice and comfortable. The material on these feel amazing. So this is the next pair right here. And it has some cute little lace in the back. Look at that, that is so cute. Like, the design is adorable. And the front again looks like this. I just wanted a different color, so I got some purple ones. These are more kind of like booty shorts. So got that pair. Next, I got this pair right here. And these are super, super smooth. They kind of feel like silky, but very stretchy, comfortable. I feel like they're just gonna hug the bum, you know? Okay, this is actually the matching pair. Oh my gosh, this is actually the matching pair to the bra. I totally messed up. But this is actually the matching pair to the last bra that I showed. You could tell because it has the same design right here. So this is actually the matching underwear to the last bra that I showed. And they're actually give more coverage in the back too. these are super cute too. So these match perfectly with the bra. Last pair of underwear that I got is this one right here. Got a little green one for the holidays. Yeah, so I got this green one, this green thong right here. Just looks like that. I haven't tried any of these on, but again, they all feel comfortable. Stretchy, the material is nice and soft, smooth. I know they're gonna be comfortable. And I got them all in a size large. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys the loungewear sets that I got, and I'm going to be showing you guys what they look like on the split screen as well. The first set that I got is actually a set of PJs, pajamas, and this is the top right here. It's a nice long sleeve black button up top. This is so comfortable and warm. The material is really nice and soft and thick. Like, it just feels really warm, perfect for the cold weather right now. And it comes with these matching pants right here. And I got them a little bit dirty already, but these pants are so nice and stretchy and comfortable. They're a little thin, still keep you warm. They're kind of like leggings, but not as tight as leggings, so they are a little bit loose. They are a little bit looser than leggings, but they do give that legging feel. Okay, the next set I got is this set right here. This is also like a pajama loungewear type of set. The top looks like this. And it's just kind of like a camisole top, but it's really loose and flowy, very comfortable. And the back is open, so you guys can see. Let me see. So the back opens up like that. It has like an opening in the back to make kind of give like a little cute look to the back where you can show your back if you want to. I feel like this would be more for like summertime. Some days it still gets kind of warm out here in California, so I could probably still wear this now. Matching pants that came with it are these pants right here, which are definitely pajama pants. And these are so soft and so comfortable. They have pockets, which I love. I love when pants and really anything has pockets. Like, that's a plus for me. These did fit me a little bit loose. I got them a size extra large just because I like my pajamas and loungewear to be kind of oversized so I could be more comfortable, but the pants did fit me a little bit bigger than I thought they were gonna fit me. But it does have this in the front to make it a little bit tighter, so that's totally fine. Okay, the next set I got is actually more of a activewear type of set. I wanted to get this just, you know, in case of the new year when I get that motivation to work out again one day. I have no motivation to work out right now, but maybe in the future I will get motivated. And you want to wear cute stuff when you work out because it makes you feel like you look cute, you feel good, and you want to work out. So I got this activewear set. This is the top right here. I love the color. I wanted something a little different than just black, so I got this kind of like purple, and it still has like some black in it. And the back has this little like cutout, so it has like a little design. This fits really nice and snug, but not like suffocating to where like you feel like you can't breathe. So this gives you like some like support, like it keeps you in, but it doesn't make you feel like, you know, you can't breathe or something. And it comes with the matching shorts, which I love the length of these shorts. They're like mid-thigh, and again, they're very nice and stretchy, very comfortable. The waistband like kind of holds you in. Again, it doesn't make you feel like you're suffocating, but it does give you a little, you know, nice tuck in your tummy. So I love this set. It's really cute, looks really cute on. Again, perfect for when you're at home or if you want to wear it out. I mostly work out at home, so I would wear it at home. Okay, next I got another set of pajamas. It's always good to have a cute set of pajamas to wear at home. I feel like it makes me feel more like put together and cute than just like my super old dirty stained sweats. These are holiday themed PJs because Christmas is coming up, and these are so cute. Like I'm totally planning on wearing these on Christmas Day, where you're just at home opening presents, drinking some like hot chocolate, and eating some leftover tamales or something. So yeah, these are super cute. And I love the design. It has little snowflakes. I love the colors. Perfect for the holidays. Here are the matching pants. Pants are also more like leggings. They are more, they're more fitted than the other pants. They're not as loose. So these are definitely more like leggings, but still not as tight as leggings, and they feel thicker than leggings. So they definitely keep you warm. So cute on together. This one I also got in a size extra large. But it doesn't fit me as loose as the other one does, because I think this one's more fitted. Okay, and the last set that I got are another pair of Christmas PJs. This is another set, and this is actually a button-up type of PJs. So they button down all the way, and the design is super cute. Look at it, it has cute little polar bears. Holiday polar bears wearing scarves and like little Christmas hats, and I just thought it was so cute, again, to wear like maybe on Christmas Eve. I can wear these on Christmas Eve, and I can wear the other ones on Christmas Day. So usually after everybody eats, everybody changes into like PJs, and then we wait for it to be like 12 o'clock on Christmas Eve and we open presents. I don't know if it's going to be different this year just because of COVID, but just in case, I'll have my cute PJs ready. This is the last set that I got. Again, super cute. I love it. Very comfortable. Perfect for wearing around the house. Okay, so that was everything that I got from Adore Me. If you guys are interested in checking out any of these things that I showed, make sure you guys check out the link in the description box down below. I'll have the link to their website. They have so many things, so many cute things. They are also very size inclusive, so they cater to all different body types. So I'm sure you guys can find something no matter your size. They also have some really good deals going on right now on their website. So make sure you guys go and check out their website down below. Anyways, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.